Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can contact Godaddy through the chat, because the chat on the site is not available, and I was like trying to search for it, you know, when like where contact us 24/7, but you have only call us number here. So to do it, what you have to do is on a Google write Godaddy chat, and the only way how you can chat with the support is with a chat with the Godaddy Inc. And here you can have chat. So that's how it's going to be done. It can be done any other way. So I just wanted to share this video, and I hope it's going to be beneficial to you. And now right now, look, I'm just connected to person. So just write GoDaddy chat and chat with GoDaddy Inc. and you would just press your chat through the Google. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.